Hey guys, Justin Lobato here inside the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Diamondite Headlight Restoration Kit. Now this is a unique kit because this allows you to streamline getting your headlights clear as can be, way faster than your traditional restoration, which is very messy as well, where there's multiple stages of sanding, compounding, taping, all these different steps that take time. As to where with this kit, it's a simple two-part kit. It allows you in the first step to remove the oxidation on the headlight lens, and then you follow it up with the secondary step to actually put some clear coat back on the lens. However, it is a very unique process, but once it's finished, it looks absolutely amazing. It takes only about 5 minutes. Simple two-step process versus, gosh, maybe an hour or so per headlight in a full restoration. So this is the simplest way to clarify and bring your dull, faded headlights back with the Diamondite Headlight Restoration Kit. For more information, visit us at autogeek.com.